Hi, Melissa here with Epson LabelWorks. Today I'm with the PX900 and we're going to show you how to use the Edit or Format button. So in this two-part video, first I'm going to give you a tour of all of the features included in the Edit menu, and then in part two we'll go ahead and dive into making a label. So let's check it out. So let's start by turning the printer on, and then we'll go ahead and hit that Edit menu, and it's this one here with the funny A's. All right, so at the top of the list is our Layout button. This is going to be left, right, center, justify. Underneath that we have Frame and Table. Now a frame is going to be a border around the entire label, and then a table is going to be maybe you have different bits of information, some data that you want separated into different cells. So that's what that is. The Style option, this gives you different formats for your text. So you could do an outline, you could do a gray, a shadow. There's a few different options in there. Next we have the character spacing, pretty self-explanatory, but there is narrow, none, wide. Underneath that we have border and line. Now this is where you could find a strike through or an underline, or maybe on your label, instead of a whole frame around the whole label, maybe you wanted just an image or just a line of text to have a border around it. So that's what that option is. Next we have character width, again pretty self-explanatory, narrow, normal or wide characters. Now we have background. This allows you to put a background pattern behind your printed text. Bold and italic, this is a popular one. This allows you to make the text bold or italic or both. And then we get to some of the other options that are already available on your keyboard, but you can get to them here as well. So this is going to be things like the length, the label margins, the orientation, vertical or horizontal, the font size, font type, and line swap, which allows you to swap lines of information. So that was a quick tour of the Edit Format button on the PX900. Check out part 2 to watch how we create a label using those features. And if you have any questions on this printer or any other, give us a call. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.